trust my ever-increasing ability to create abundance. All answers are within me. I follow my inner wisdom. I am a valuable person. My path is important. I value my time and energy. I live in an abundant universe. I always have everything I need. I radiate self-esteem, inner peace, love, well-being, and happiness. I create money and abundance through joy, aliveness, and self-love. Everything I do brings me aliveness and growth. I know the essence of what I want, and I get it. I follow my highest joy. I accept prosperity and abundance into my life. I trust that everything comes at the perfect time and in the perfect way. I surrender to my higher good. I demonstrate love with action every day. I am linked with the unlimited abundance of the universe. As I do what I love, money and abundance flow freely to me. I have a unique, special contribution to make. Everything I do adds beauty, order, and light to the universe. I am in charge of my destiny. I am the builder of my life. I honor and use my special skills and abilities. I find my life's work by looking within rather than without. I have a wealth of valuable skills and talents. I now have my ideal life. I know what I love to do, and I do it. I am alert to my opportunities, and I use them well. I now live in a rich and loving universe. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly. I am always supplied with whatever I need.